Hi! Are you looking to elevate your image quality while shooting with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Then let me introduce you to the Frezzi Pocket Light Kit. Crafted specially for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this kit is a game changer for capturing stunning footage in any lighting condition. First, this kit is all about making life easier. Frezzi's patent-pending magnetic mount system lets you attach the pocket light on and off in seconds. No tools, screws, or thumb wheels necessary. This is important for fast setup and breakdown while shooting on the go. And for vlogging, the pocket light has got you covered. With a simple spin, you've got the perfect lighting for capturing yourself on camera with perfect exposure. Backlighting can be a pain, but the pocket light has enough punch to light me up and make the image look high quality and professional. The pocket light is also fully adjustable. I've got it set here to 3200K to match the indoor color temperature, but I can easily set it up to 5500K to match the outside temperature and any in between. The Frezzi Pocket Light Kit is the ultimate accessory for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for professional looking videos. It's fast, flexible, and gives you stunning video in any lighting situation. So improve your image today with Frezzi.